SoftBank-backed Oyo Hotels reviving its plans to check into Dalal Street. That's the buzzword today. It has filed an addendum to its previously submitted DRHP with SEBI. Oyo has also reported its maiden EBITDA positive quarter, and losses have also narrowed. Yash Jain is joining us now with more details. Yash, Oyo calling D Street again. What else are you picking up?
So, Ashmit, the entire delay which came about as far as Oyo's IPO is concerned, that created a fair bit of uncertainty amongst primary market investors. But certainly the news today from Oyo Hotels does bring a lot of relief. The company, that is Oyo Hotels, has filed addendum to the DRHP, which it had earlier filed with market regulator SEBI. What does this mean? It is essentially updating that filed DRHP with SEBI with additional financial information. As far as that additional financial information is concerned, the company submitted financials for Q1 FY23 along with that DRHP with market regulator SEBI, and that's not all. We've been given to understand from our sources that the company also is looking to forward to filing the Q2 FY23 numbers with market regulator SEBI, and that could happen by October this year. Now, once the Q2 numbers have been filed with SEBI, that is when market regulator SEBI will start looking at the IPO proposal, and once the process from there on goes fine, then by the fourth quarter of FY23 is when Oyo could look at launching its IPO. As far as the IPO itself is concerned, nothing else changes except for these updated financial documents. So, of course, the size of the IPO, that remains the same at about 8,430 crore rupees. Out of it, 7,000 crore rupees is the fresh issuance of equity, which means that money comes into the company at about 1,430 crore rupees is what selling shareholders would raise through selling their stake in the company. Financials, they've improved significantly post-COVID. So as far as the financials are concerned, it's the story of narrowing losses and rebound in sales. Revenue from operations, that is up 21% for FY22. Losses, they've halved to about 1890 crore rupees. As far as the first quarter of FY23 is concerned, it is the maiden EBITDA positive quarter for the company. EBITDA positive of 7 crore, and the net loss has also come down to about 350 crore rupees.
Right, Yash, thanks a lot for all those updates coming in from the market. But moving ahead now, speaking of IPOs, German car manufacturer Volkswagen is expecting to raise over $9 billion from the initial public offering of its sports car brand Porsche. Now, the offer